All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started tonight. Welcome into Tennskin Breaks. It is the last day of April, almost May, starting tomorrow, which is crazy. So I hope you guys are doing well. Appreciate you guys joining us, whether this is your 10th time you're here every week or this is your first time. So looking forward to some great stuff. Hopefully no issues tonight with the stream. So I've got working with two computers tonight for the first time. So hopefully that keeps everything running smoothly tonight. So we've got 12 breaks, plus our first Super Pack football through Super Breaks that we're doing. So we've got all kinds of memorabilia, a helmet, bat, 4 jerseys, and then we've got 5 or 6 card breaks as well. 2012 Signature Series. We've got Timeless Treasures, past, present, and future baseball. And after taking off last week with just doing memorabilia, it's good to have our breaks back doing card stuff as well. So looking forward to what we're going to break for you tonight. I want to mention we do have next weekend 13 breaks that are going to be happening. So we're doing 4 jerseys, 5 and 6 baseball, and then 13 and 14 football. We've got another helmet we're doing, another Hit Parade basketball, searching for that Jordan. We've got a basketball jersey. We've got another Series 5 bat we're doing, 2011 Prime Sigs, past, present, future, Leaf Holiday Multi-Sport, 2-box break of 2016 Gem Mint, and then a gold baseball. And we've got some good breaks coming up. We've got gold basketball that's going to be going live this Wednesday. It'll end we'll do that 2 weeks from tonight. So got some really great stuff, new stuff coming down the pipe as well. So we're going to start off tonight with Super Break. So this break is not on eBay. Sent that out through our email newsletter that we send out each week. So there's 8 spots altogether. It's a random break, random division break. So $30 gives you one division. So we're going to random off the divisions here in just a second. Random off the 8 guys that are in this, and then we'll go ahead and break it. So there's 1 to 3 cards, high-end cards in here. So the checklist looks pretty good, or at least some of the pictures of what you can get in this. So hopefully we can hit something pretty nasty tonight. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So I've got Frank S. with 2 spots. I've got Steve R. in this one. Donald, you've got 2 spots. And then Arturo's grabbing 3. So that's the 8 spots altogether. So the first thing we're going to do is random off the divisions. So go ahead and pull you over here. We're going to random it 5 times to determine the order. So there's 1, there's 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we got NFC North on the top, AFC West down at the bottom. All right, so let me get that order here. All right, hang on just 1 second here. Oh my goodness. All right, hang on a second. Trying to use this new Excel program too. This thing sucks. All right, so now let's random off the teams here. All right, so Frank's got 2, there's Steve, Donald 2, and then Arturo, you've got 3 as well. So this will determine the order. So good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we got Frank 1 and 2. Man, look at that. Dude, did they just, that's like almost the exact same order that we started out. So Frank, you're 1 and 2, Donald with 3 and 4, Steve with 5, Arturo, you've got 6, 7, and 8. All right, so let me go ahead and line these up, and then I'll show you what they look like. All right, so here is how the break's going to go down. So Frank, you've got the NFC North and the NFC East. Donnie, you've got the NFC West and the AFC South. Steve with the AFC North. And then Arturo, you've got NFC South, AFC East, and AFC West. All right, so let's see what we can do with this. Anybody want to trade? I'll give you about 30 seconds if you want to do something. Steven, what's up, man? All right, so Arturo, you got the East. No, you're wanting the East. So Frank, Donnie, and Steve want to trade Arturo for any of the East. We'll give you about 10 seconds. All right, going once. Going twice. All right, let's break it. Got the game used bad. All right. I didn't even realize it said game used right underneath it until after we were done. All right, so here it is sealed up on the back. I've got 2 more boxes of this that we'll do. So if you like what you see in here, let me know if you want to get in on the next break. Okay, nice. All right, it looks like we got 1 card in here. So let's see if we get a major card. All right, what do we got? Oh, we got a combo. Playbook combo. So let me go ahead and pull this out. Nice low number. You got 8 out of 10. Combo signatures. We got a Jags. Allen Robinson and Marquise Lee. Like I said, 8 out of 10. That's going to be from 2014 playbook. So this is a rookie, double rookie booklet. So that is going to be, and there's the 8 out of 10. So that's going to be the AFC South, which is going to be Donnie. So Donnie, congrats, man. Walking away with a nice double booklet auto. So I'm going to get this put back. So that's going to do it for Super Break. So if you like what you see out of here, again, $30 a spot. Your random division. So let me know if you want to get in on that. This is the only one looks like that's had 1 card, although the baseball had a couple with just 1 card in it. But they say 1 to 3 cards. So let me know if you want to jump in on the next one. And appreciate you guys joining us for Super Break.